So please, Dr. Sajid, come to the stage.
Talk from your heart, not from your mind. Once you learn the stage, you can't imagine how much you're attached with it. Practice some part of your script with this.
I heard it, but my arm didn't do it.
So, communication doesn't mean only talking. It's also listening.
记得点赞关注哦。